Okay, the beginning anti-fragile movement. Just go down to the ground and lie on your stomach any way you want to. Then you get back to stand. Go down and lie on your back. All the way relax and get back up any way you want to. Go down and lie on whatever side you choose first. And get back up. Then your other side. Then you're going to go to in a push-up plank position and try to hold it for 4 seconds and don't hold your breath. Now we're going to take away different body parts. So we're going to change this up and make it a lot of variety here. So you'll put your left hand on top of your left knee and do the same thing. Go down, lie on your back. Then you go on your stomach, and you want to make sure that you don't let the hand move. Wherever the hand lands is where it sticks. Don't let it slide up and down your leg at all. This is going to actually restrict some body movement, like what might happen if you have some restriction in a muscle or restriction in a joint. You've got to learn how to move around those restrictions. Then you'll go into your prone push-up position. This is going to challenge rotation, hold for 4 seconds, and then you switch to the other side. Right hand on right knee, go down and lie on your back. And you can see how it changes up the way that I decide to move around. And there's no wrong way to do this. It's just you having fun and exploring the floor. And then we'll get back up. And you'll find that you'll probably want to lie on the side you feel most comfortable with. Usually it's the side you sleep on. It's very interesting. Then you go down to the other side. You're probably going to be out of breath by now, and that's a beautiful thing. And you're just really getting out of your own way and exploring the world from many different levels. And then you're going to do prone stability push-up again. Great anti-rotation move. And now we're going to cross the body. This is even more challenging because we're going to get some rotation in with our movements. You're going to take one hand and cross it over and put it on the opposite side knee and don't let it move. Go down to the ground, lie on your back. Make sure you go all the way down. Don't lose contact with your hand. This one can definitely be challenging when you're going down on your stomach here. And you'll get back up. And you'll also go back to your sides. What I like about these things is you're getting a lot of rolling in, and that's one of the biggest things that's going to make a difference with improving your overall balance. I can tell you that doing this series here, I was definitely winded, but it's very invigorating. And then we'll go to prone stability push-up and back up. And then we'll do right hand on top of left knee. These are a bit more challenging because you're getting some rotation in your body. And then back down onto your back. And then this is at your stomach. Good. And I'm going to go onto my left side. Then right. And then we'll do prone stability push-up. And then now you're going to explore. You're going to get creative. You can do this any way you want. It's endless possibilities. So now I want you to play. I'm going to show you how I chose to put my hand on my opposite side shoulder. And then I'm going to do the same matrix again. So for you, you might want to say, let me put my right finger, my index finger on my nose. Or I'm going to put my right hand on top of my head. Or my left hand on my left butt cheek. It can be anything. And when you do this fall matrix, you don't have to go through every single variation that I showed you. All you got to do is just pick one or two. So maybe one day you want to do your left hand on top of your left knee and your right hand on top of your right knee, and then the next day you want to change it up and go whatever way you want. Right? So the idea is to not have it become predictable, but have some variation, variability, and variety, known as the 3 V's, basically the spice of life. And then I'll come down to my last one, my prone stability push-up, and you just completed the anti-fragile matrix.